going on, guys? Today we are out here at one of my favorite tracks, Roberts Track and Trails. Just a really good, chill place to ride. We're riding with my new friend Caden, Sam on his KX85. Pretty sure that's Noah. I've met him here before. He's shredding now, man. Good for him. This track gets tight when there's a bunch of people. It gets a little hairy. And it's so dusty, I can't see anything coming into these corners. Wow. I'm surprised those kids just didn't run into each other. I thought they might. Yeah, dude, Noah. This is on the 150. He's shredding right now. He's ripping. He even knows the fast line there. Yeah, heck yeah, dude. Oh, my hands, bro. They're hurting. Hey, man, what's your name?
Chase Bonneville.
Chase, okay. I thought I might have met you here before. I was calling you. I'm like filming videos and I was like, I think this is the guy Noah that I met. Chase, nice to meet you, Chase. Yeah, I got some cool clips here. I was like trying to stay right behind you. You were shredding, man. What's up, man? Wait, Logan.
Yeah.
Okay. It's hanging on. I'll get it back at the truck. Thank you. Thank you. Huh? Yeah. Always. Always. It's honestly, the conditions right now, it's a little hard to ride with people and get footage behind them because it's so dusty. I'm not really sure what the GoPro can see and what it can't see, you know? Logan here, I believe, is on a KX85. Running some Evo suspension just like me. We're Evo suspension brothers. Shout out Evo. Ooh, that's slick. That jump is just so fun to coast over, get all your speed up and then float. You got it! Hell yeah, good job, dude. I knew you could hit that one. Not sure if that's his first time hitting it or not. It's my first time following him around, so but I think it is. Woo! So this is Caden. He's riding a 2022 KTM 250 SXF. First time I've ever ridden with him. He just hit me up on Instagram and said, yo, let's meet up and ride, and I'm always down for that. So if you want to ride, just hit me up. We'll set something up. Two-stroke bog gang, man. You got this tabletop, bro. Hit it. That's one of the smoothest coming out of that corner tabletop. Out of all the ones on the track, I really like that one. That thing's burning some oil, baby. That ain't healthy. Yeah. That was slick! I thought I might run into him there, man. That was sketchy. Oh my god, I overshot that. But I did a cool little butt whip. Felt cool anyway. There it is. That line's fun. Here eating 150 roofs, man. Man, it is slippery out here today. Shit! That was slick. I just went completely sideways.